Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Wow, what a ride today. After my 50% position exit at 105,000 and the remaining 50% at 104,800, I was on the sidelines watching the chart unfold. The price action looked engineered. My remaining 50% exit got wicked in the 1-hour candle, where we briefly tapped 104,600 before surging to 106,400 in the next hour. That kind of volatility signals liquidity sweeps rather than organic buying. It was frustrating, but you can never time profit-taking with surgical precision. Throughout the day, we oscillated between 103,900 and 106,000, consolidating just above 105,000. At that point, it looked like classic reaccumulation, which I mentioned in my free Discord. But then, out of nowhere, Bitcoin unraveled in 3 back-to-back sell-offs, hitting 102,600, then 102,500, then 101,900, and finally bottoming at 101,600. Right now, as I'm recording, price action is hovering around the key horizontal level of 101,500. But here's the issue. Money flow is dipping into the red, and after a sharp move of over 4% like this, history suggests we typically stay in negative momentum for several hours before stabilizing. It's not just the drop itself that matters, it's the structure of the move. Looking at the liquidity heat map, the real story becomes clear. Market makers have been targeting the 101,200 level, where late longs are piling in, desperate to catch the knife. This level will almost certainly be taken out. It would be an anomaly if it wasn't. More importantly, once we enter the broader liquidity cluster from 101,300 to 100,000, that's where things get interesting. This isn't just a standard support level, it's a liquidity vortex. If we see absorption here, it could set up the next major long opportunity. There's a lot of noise in the market right now. Some are blaming macroeconomic news, specifically the announcement of potential tariffs on Canada and Mexico, for triggering this drop. I'm not buying it. This move has all the hallmarks of an engineered liquidity sweep. The sequence, the velocity, and the way open interest has been getting rinsed. It's all textbook. I'll keep you updated on my trades. This zone is shaping up to be one of the most critical battlegrounds we've seen in weeks. Join my free Discord for real-time updates. Like the video if this breakdown gave you value, and don't forget to subscribe with notifications on so you never miss key market insights. And see you in the next one.